Just, in the back?
Yeah.
Jason. Picture of subject on saver for real crime. Real time.
Hey, this is the dad.
This is Dad. I'm going to talk to him, guys.
Copy. Possible stuff with that.
Come to the back, come to the back.
Oh, bro. Hey.
Hold
on.
Hey, what's going on?
Hold on.
Hey,
I'll tell you why. Go ahead.
Whoa, what's going on? Relax. Relax. Bro. Yo, get my phone, bro. Just get my phone. Get my phone. It's right there. Press go live, bro. Press go live. Press it, bro. Right now, bro.
We'll explain.
Press public, bro. Press public. Real shit, bro. What is going on right now? I didn't do.
We'll explain.
Go live, bro. What did I do? Bro, press it, dude.
Just
Press
keep
done.
going.
Press done. What did I didn't do nothing though.
No,
We're going to
We're
explain.
going to explain it. Can you take a minute, listener? Someone in your name called. Hear me out. You ready?
What did I do, bro?
You're gonna listen to me?
They swatted you.
Yeah, someone. Yeah, we're gonna explain too. Filming too. Are you gonna?
Oh my God, bro. I swear I didn't do nothing, bro. Chill. I didn't do shit. I didn't do shit.
And we are going to explain.
Oh my God, I'm scared, dog.
You're not scared if you listen.
Bro,
Derek, you have ears, right?
I'm not.
Listen to me.
I didn't do.
We know that. Now listen to me. Today someone called the 911 center and said, with your name, that you wanted to hurt your family and hurt yourself. So we came to make sure you're okay.
All right, just listen to me.
Okay.
I am a popular streamer. I am a YouTuber. Okay.
Come on.
I have 10. Let me
So
talk.
guess what?
Okay. Hold on,
If
wait.
you're good, you may be out of these cuffs, but relax. We're on your side.
All right.
We're here to make sure you're not going to harm yourself. Right?
All right.
Now,
just-
people
all right.
dox people, right?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Okay, so
look,
maybe that's
let me
it.
talk. Okay. I am a popular streamer. I have 10 million subs. You know what a streamer is, right?
Sure, I guess.
You know what
Video
a streamer
games?
is. Yeah, you ever heard of a streamer SWAT or whatever?
No.
Okay. You got it. Okay, so tell us about the streamer. What'd you say?
I didn't do nothing.
Were you trying to be funny?
No, I didn't do nothing.
Well, apparently someone called a help center out in Iowa and said address and I want to kill myself, my family.
No, he's lying. It's
Just hear me
it's
out.
obviously a lie. It's a lie.
Well,
okay.
we're here to make sure, right?
Oh yes.
Because of school shootings, right?
Yes.
Be on my side.
Yeah.
Work with me.
Yeah. I
Right,
understand.
imagine if, like, you
I
have a
just
son. Hear me
never.
out. Imagine you have a son, you love him so much, and then someone calls your house and says, "My son's." They said you have a Glock, an AR-15, and want to shoot everybody.
Oh, yes.
All right. Well, let's put you in the car, and then guess what?
All right. This is just y'all.
Calm down.
Yeah, like I'm trying to calm down.
I know.
But
It's
like,
overwhelming, right?
Yeah, it's just a streamer SWAT. It's a streamer SWAT.
You think they tried to trick you?
Yes. This is streamer SWAT. They call somebody called.
I know y'all they pranking.
I know.
my house.
Exactly.
They pranking my house, y'all. Yes, they prank my house.
I just told him that.
No.
Exactly. I keep telling you, I'm a famous YouTuber. I mean, it's not really that much. Exactly. This is prank call. I keep telling y'all, I'm a.
And this
I can't really explain it to y'all because I'm probably older, but you know, it's just like
No.
Twitch, YouTube.
Yeah,
I mean,
know what you're talking
you know,
about.
I'm famous, you know, and I'm popular.
That's you.
know.
And they're probably upset, jealous, or something like that.
No, there's just trolls. Like, it's just common trolls.
Well, this was pretty serious.
I know, but it's a call.
I know. That's why we got to do our
Oh
job.
my God, bro. I've never been in a cup all of my life, man.
Just make sure you don't have anything on you.
Oh, I'm not about to kill myself. I'm straight. What the f?
I know.
Like,
We just got to do our job.
Yeah, and what's he saying? What did my mama say?
I don't know. Let's roll your window down.
What type of call center? What number of call with them? Oh my gosh, bro.
All right. So what's going on is
I make stream.
I know, listen to me. Listen to me.
Okay, I'm
I'm
trying to explain y'all. Y'all not getting what I'm trying to
we
show.
we
I
are,
am a
but you're not
popular
listening to
streamer.
me.
These calls happen all the time. It just probably doesn't happen in Cincinnati because there's not that much famous people in Cincinnati.
Is it just people that are watching your stream that are
It's
calling
people
in?
watching my stream that they're trolling.
But how do
They're
they know
trying
where
to
you live?
Like I said, I am a pop. I don't know. It's like I don't know. I'm a popular streamer. I keep saying that. Like I mean, it's hard to me. Like it's hard to like really explain. Like tell y'all what's really going on. I can check anywhere in my house, anywhere. I can show y'all exactly what I'm really talking about.
I bet here.
You want
Step
something
forward.
to
Step
Yes,
forward.
please.
Why are you wearing sweatpants?
Too hot for that today.
So, but you need to understand, it's our job.
Yeah, and I get that, but I'm trying to explain to y'all, but y'all keep asking like, why did it happen? And I'm telling y'all.
No.
Make sure you're under control, then we
What
figure
I'm
out
trying
what's
to tell you
going on.
is what was said. To
Yeah,
us.
yeah.
So, what was said to us was that there's someone,
Yeah,
you,
and I get that, and I get
that was
that.
going to kill their
I
entire
understand
family with a
that.
Glock
Yeah, I understand.
19.
Yes, yes. This game, I'm just a streamer game. I stream games,
What
yes.
kind of game?
Fortnite, Valorant, Apex, this all. I'm an all-around streamer.
Are you any good?
Yeah. Yeah, it was just one of them.
So just a little misunderstanding online.
But it was serious. And you got to block your IP address?
They been had her address.
Search for that injury, Morrison Ludlow, 6 possibly trapped in a car, Myers already
I know, but I didn't know I didn't know who it was. I didn't pick up.
gray van and a black van, Morrison Ludlow.
227.
What are them troll calls, bro?
57.
So,
It just happened to Aiden. It just happened to another streamer last night. They do these.
use like IP Vanish
This
or
just happened
anything?
to Aiden
I
last
know,
night.
I know.
Just happened
We're
to
gonna have
Aiden.
to
And
get
they're
it
probably
figured
using
out.
some kind of app to call it you can't trace and all that other stuff.
Yeah.
They've notified
Oh, this
me
cold. Oh,
This
they're
came out
cold
of like
with
a
it.
crisis center in
I'll
Iowa.
try to see.
They
But
cold
it
with
said it was a chat, so
Yeah, they cold. These people's good.
Yeah.
Because they can IP
But,
into
like,
a
we
different
gotta take it
address.
seriously.
Oh, I understand, but y'all got in his
yeah,
phone
especially
number.
in light of
You want
everything.
his too?
Yeah, let's get his phone number too. I want to add that. So if we get another thing like that to this address, we'll already have it documented that this has happened, so that we know.
You ain't been spotted before, right?
Maybe
This is
for
my
the
first.
future.
This is my
Frank
first
tried to
time.
get his
First
name off
time.
everything, get him a PO box and stuff.
Yeah, we got the
You know.
yeah.
Because somehow they found.
Is that it? That on your number?
You guys are good.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, y'all good. I mean, it's all good. So what do y'all recommend moving forward besides?
Well,
Does he
so
have use like proxy servers and stuff to like hide his IP
not bad.
address and stuff? His address is all over the
Yeah, it's all like
Your
it's,
home address?
I'm not the
this
moving
I have
forward.
friends that aren't really friends
Thanks for
and
calming down
posting
there because
Yeah.
you know we have to
information all
investigate
over.
it.
Yeah, I was
We
just
don't wanna be
confused.
involved.
Like it just happened like out of nowhere. I was just
Clearly
screaming.
not friends.
No,
Thank you.
because didn't the kid get killed? Like didn't?
Yeah,
SWAT
exactly.
visits-
SWAT kicked in their door and stuff.
Yeah.
Because they said he was going to kill
Yeah.
shoot
Yeah,
up
there was a
school or
kid.
something.
There's a couple of them lately that have happened, and then they
this is
overreact.
ridiculous.
25, they're not updating right now, but they
Yeah, we don't
overreact.
we react, but we don't overreact.
Yeah, we know. Yeah, that's cool. We can throw the football at me.
Thank you.
All right.